Hey there, welcome to TXO. Today we're sharing some fun and mind-blowing facts about building restoration. Let's dive in. Did you know that the oldest known structures date back over 10,000 years? Restoration techniques have come a long way since then. Modern restoration involves using cutting-edge technology to preserve historical integrity while ensuring structural safety. The restoration of the Statue of Liberty in the 1980s involved replacing the original torch with a new copper flame covered in 24K gold leaf. Talk about a shining example of restoration. Restoration isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about preserving history and breathing new life into old structures. And did you know that restored buildings can increase property values by up to 20%? That's a win for everyone. At TXO, we're passionate about the art and science of restoration. Have any fun facts about building restoration? Share them in the comments. Visit our website and stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching.